Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. So, let's dive right in. Get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android device. The process for unblocking a contact is similar on both. Once you have WhatsApp up and running, find the Settings menu. On Android devices, you'll typically see 3 vertical dots stacked in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those dots to open a drop-down menu. Within the Settings menu, there will be several options. Find the one labeled Privacy and tap on it. This will open your privacy settings, which control who can see your profile information and more. Now that you're in your privacy settings, look for a section related to blocked contacts. Depending on your device and WhatsApp version, this might be labeled Blocked Contacts or simply Blocked. Tap on that option to view a list of all the people you've currently blocked on WhatsApp. You've almost reached the finish line. On the list of blocked contacts, find the name of the person you want to reconnect with. Once you've located their name, you can unblock them. Tap Unblock to confirm that you want to remove this person from your blocked contacts list. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.